Hi trumpet players, Miss Shaw here. In this video I will be showing you how to oil your valves and also how to clean out your trumpet. So I really do advise that about once a week you oil your valves. You don't want to wait until they're stuck and until you want to prevent the problem. There are a lot of different types of valve oil out there. I have found that Al-Cas, which is a tiny bit more expensive than some of the other oils, seems to work better by getting rid of any dirt that's already inside. There are a few different ways to oil your trumpet. I, first of all, always take my mouthpiece off because I want to be able to turn my trumpet in any direction without worrying about it falling off. You can oil just the stems of your trumpet, which is the part like the stem of a plant. You put just a drop of oil, not a whole lot, just a drop of oil, and then pump the valves up and down so the oil spreads out. You can also, on the bottom of the trumpet, you can put some oil inside this way. Again, moving the valves up and down to spread the oil out. Now have some kind of a paper towel or something nearby to catch anything that has dripped down. Now if there's a really bad case, I will loosen the valve, turn this, not the finger button, but loosen this part here. I will pull the valve out. You don't have to pull it out all the way. And then you can put some valve on the valve like that. Now most trumpets, not all, but most of them will have a number on the valve. And the number, most times, not 100%, will be looking at you. So when you put it back in, the number of number 1, number 2, number 3 will be looking at your face. You turn the valve slightly and you will hear it. You will hear it click into place. Let me see if you will hear it. I don't know if you will hear it over this recording. So maybe you heard that click. That's how we do that. Now, when the weather gets colder, you will have what we call condensation form inside of your trumpet. I'm just taking off some excess oil right now. We are blowing warm, wet air through our trumpet. What happens after we play, the warm air stays inside your trumpet, and it may take a few minutes, it may take a few hours, and that warm, wet air will turn into kind of like rain, which is called condensation. It's like when you have a cloud in the sky and then it rains. So you have your warm, wet air in your trumpet, it's like a cloud, and then it turns to rain later. So that's when you start hearing some gurgling. What do? It helps if you push all the valves down. Now this is one of the few times you'll see me put my finger under the ring to hold up my trumpet. There are 2 water keys. Here's one, here's another. You open up the water key. Some people call these spit valves. I prefer water key. You open it up and you open your mouth and blow through it like that. Open your mouth. So I shouldn't hear that kind of a sound. Just open and blow. Now you can do this over a garbage can, or you can put a paper towel on the floor and do it over a paper towel. That's how you clean that out. I also strongly advise have some kind of a cloth in your case so you can just clean the mouthpiece, wipe it off like that. The mouthpiece can be cleaned with soap and water. You can just put this under the water faucet, let the warm water and soap or dish detergent run through it. If you have Q-tips at home, you can put a Q-tip on either side, okay? And once in a while, this is not really having to do with cleaning so much, but it's one of the exercises I've told some of you to do. Clean the back of it and blow through it like this. And after you do that, you can then do your buzzing. You may notice that after you warm up on this end, your buzzing will improve. Okay, so that's how to care for our trumpet and a little extra tip on how to improve your buzzing. Happy practicing.